Happy day, my dear kids. Hope you all understood the concept of measuring length and breadth. Let me see how we are going to draw a triangle.
Children, hope you all understood the concept of measuring length and breadth. Today we are going to see about drawing a triangle. Let me see the question now. Draw a triangle inside the circle such that condition A, its vertices lie on the circle. Condition B, two of its sides are of equal length. I hope you all know how to draw a triangle. Here we are going to draw a triangle inside the circle. To draw a triangle inside the circle, we have to follow these two conditions. First condition, its vertices lie on the circle. What is mean by vertices? Vertices means corner, edges. Edges are called vertices. We can call it as edges or corners or vertices. These three corners are called vertices, or these three edges are called vertices. Are you clear? So we have to draw a triangle. Its vertices, triangle's vertices should lie on the circle. Triangle's vertices should lie on the circle. Second condition, two of its sides are of equal length. So in triangle, three sides are there. We have to draw two sides which should has equal length. Which should has equal length. Equal means same length. So I have drawn a triangle inside the circle. Look at the picture. Here the circle is present. I draw a triangle. I started from here. We have to draw a line from here to this end. So this is one vertex and this is another vertex. These two vertex lie on the circle. Circle la lie ஆயிருக்கு. Circle la corners place ஆயிருக்கு. So these two vertices lie on the circle. After drawing a first line, measure the length of the line. In my triangle, the length of the line is 4 centimeter. So I have to draw another line with the same 4 centimeter length. With same 4 centimeter length. So I have to start again from this vertex and with the same length of 4 centimeter, I start here and draw a line until this vertex with 4 centimeter. Am I clear? இந்த சைடும் 4 centimeter length வரணும். இந்த சைடும் 4 centimeter length வரணும். Because I have drawn this line with 4 centimeter. So I have to draw another side also with 4 centimeter. But you can draw by your choice. You can draw by your choice with maybe 3 centimeter or maybe 2 centimeter or maybe 5 centimeter. It's your choice. After drawing these two lines with 1, 2 and third vertex, you have to join the last line, third line, from this vertex to this vertex. Okay? After drawing this vertex, after drawing this line, you have to measure the length of this line and write it. Am I clear to you, children? You have to draw a triangle inside the circle. So I have drawn a triangle inside the circle. First condition is its vertex lie on the circle. So the vertex lies on the circle. See, 1, 2, 3. All these vertices lie on the circle. Lie on the circle means 3 cornersum circle மேல தான் இருக்கணும். B. 2 of its sides are of equal length. So while drawing a triangle, the length of the two sides should be same. So that is called equal length. நீளம் ரெண்டு பக்கம் ஒரே மாதிரி இருக்கணும், மூணாவது பக்கம் வேற மாதிரி இருக்கலாம். Am I clear to you, children? Let we see next sum in page number 21. Fourth problem. Draw an 8-sided figure inside the circle such that first condition its vertices lie on the circle. In this problem we have only one condition. What we have to do is we have to draw a figure inside the circle with 8 sides. Okay? All the 8 sides vertices should be lie on the circle. 8 side means how many vertices are there? 8 vertices. For 8 sides we will get 8 vertices. 8 sides we will get 8 vertices. All the 8 vertices should lie on the circle. So let we see the figure. Here circle is given. I am going to draw 8 sides now. I am going to start with this corner. Start from here. Draw first line. Then second side. Third side. Fourth side. Fifth side. Sixth side. Seventh side. Eighth side. The starting point of first side and the ending point of the last side will be the same. Am I clear? Starting point of first side and ending point of the last side will be the same. Okay, children? And according to the condition given, vertices lie on the circle. Look at all the vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All the 8 vertices lies on the circle only. Yes? Are you clear? எந்த verticesum circle touch பண்ணாம உள்ள draw பண்ணல. எல்லாமே circle தான் lie ஆயிருக்கு. Am I clear, children? So in this way you have to draw 8-sided figure inside the circle using the condition vertices lie on the circle. Hope you all clear with these two problems. Okay, children? Next, in page number 21, we have two more problems. Problem number 2 and problem number 3. You have to do these two problems as an assignment. Draw a square inside the circle such that its vertices lie on the circle. So what you have to draw? Square. Where you have to draw? Inside the circle. Inside the circle you have to draw a square. Okay? What is the condition given? Its vertices lie on the circle. For square, how many vertices are there? 4 vertices. For a square, we have 4 vertices. So all the 4 vertices should lie on the circle. Should lie on the circle. Am I clear? All the 4 vertices should lie on the circle. After drawing a square, you have to check whether all the sides are of same length. All of you know about the length of a square. The length of the square is same for all the 4 sides. Am I right? Length of the square is same for all the 4 sides. So you have to draw a length of the four sides with same centimeter. It may be 3 centimeter, or it may be 2 centimeter, or it may be 4 centimeter. It's your choice. So if you start from here to here, you have to measure the length of the first side. After measuring the length of the first side, draw another line with same length. After drawing the second side, draw the third line with same length. As we have done for first, second and third, you have to draw the fourth side with same length. Am I clear to you, children? So you have to draw a square with the same length of four sides. All the vertices of the square should lie on the circle. So you have to follow this for second problem. Children, in companion page number 5, we have another problem to do as an assignment today. Measure the length and breadth of these shapes. Mark them on the drawing. Here 4 shapes are given. Look at here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will explain for first shape. We have to measure the length and breadth of the given shape. By using the scale, you have to draw or measure the length of the shape. Start from the first point, 0. Origin is the starting point and it ends on the number 2. Look at here, 2. So what is the length of the line? 2 centimeter. So you have to measure like this for breadth also, like this. Here you have to measure like this. So you have to write the length over the line. Here write it as 2 centimeter and measure this side also and for breadth also. Okay. As similar as first shape, you have to measure the length and breadth of the remaining shapes and write it. Am I clear to you, children? Do this as an assignment. Okay, children?
Thank you. If you want to see more videos about mathematics of grade 5, subscribe the channel Red Hot Spicy Samayal and watch the videos in this channel.